wasn't expecting this.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll have to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You ain't harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah.
중간 차이길을 가는 데 너무 깨끗하다. 여기 갔을 때 이거 다 클라임하면서 다녀왔어.
근데 이 앞에를 봐봐. 이 차랑 봤을 때 여기 여기가 실감이 나. 눈이 차 반 이상 나. 이게 뭐야? 아! I'm sure they tailor it for you.
Yeah.
Here's our house-made pastrami with one of our sour pickles, and then some grainy mustard.
You've never had a highly No way.
너무 더러워 보이지만 찍어야 해. 언니 먹나? 반전.
Marshall Summit, Linny Titty, hella tipsy, feeling dizzy, gone already, getting cross, drinking Henny, pour one on the rocks. Crazy but I'm not like CeeLo, take a foul shot and call it a free throw. Party foul, help her out, grab a towel. But they cheered to the governor, while the
I got cold brew, and then the color of the cold brew is a bit lighter than I thought. I mean,
when I think out loud, there's always a crowd. Smoking heavy cloud, feeling good right now. People sitting by the wall and they're leaning. Somewhere lying on the bed, lucid dreaming. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know there's something really special. Made me think about you, about you, about you. Without you, I know there's something special. Made me think about you,
did you say that? But did you ever end up staying
At least no one's here. That much? Or should I not? What is this? These are.
Oh, they finally got it.
Yeah. Do you want me to cover your face? No. It's good.